Hello, good day. You're welcome to class. So today we're going to be running a food flyer design. Now, this is basically for you that is into anything eatable. Now, when I say food flyer design, it doesn't mean um, it has to be only food. It can be anything eatable. In fact, you can still use the same concept for any other thing. It just depends on your creativity. But I want you to actually pay more attention to what you are into. Are you getting it? So the way to learn something, I used to say it is to start small. Do it as if you're playing. That is why you see children, when we are growing up, we kind of playfully learn a lot of things. That's why any teacher that play with their students to teach them tends to teach better than the one who takes it too hard. Because learning becomes interesting when you are playing with it. Because the major focus when you are learning should not be on your desire alone. It should also be on your mind. For your mind to appreciate what you are learning, you need to make it not too serious. Because your mind is a kind of your decision maker. It's the one that decides what you do and what you will not do. And your mind does not like stress at all. Anything stress, it chickens out. So now I want you to actually pay more attention and playfully do it. Don't take it too serious. Even though you are stressed out, just leave it and go back to it later. It's not a do or die thing. So that's why we actually make sure that the video are very, very short. So straight ahead, let's go to it. Now, if you're watching this video now, I want you to first of all download the materials first that you'll be using for the design. So all you need to do is to come into my DM. I've sent you the materials, the link to the material on your WhatsApp. All you need to do is to open it. Sorry. Once you open it, you meet it like this. You remember what I told you? Are you ready for the class? Here's the video. Then what you need to do is to click on the material. Click on the link I sent. Once you click on the link, it will ask you this. It depends. I put just once because I used to visit other places, so you can click on just once. Then it will ask you which of your email. I have more than one email, so I use this one mostly. It's trying to open the document. You just need to be patient, wait for it. Oh, it's saying I'm not connected to internet. Yes. So this is where you meet the materials. You need to wait for it to load. I think the internet, it has loaded. Are you getting it? So to download, just place your finger on each image. Place your finger on each image. Either it pops up download, or you click on these three dots here. Then you click on download. It's already downloaded. Click on this one too. Click on download. It's already downloaded. You do same for all. For all the images. They are all downloaded. They are all downloaded. So all you need to do is to go back now. Go to Pixel Lab. Go to Pixel Lab. Now when you open Pixel Lab, it will ask you an autosave of your last section is available. Do you want to recover? Now if you have used it initially and you've not saved your work, please click on OK. But if you've saved your work, just click on cancel. I've saved my work initially. So I click on cancel. You meet it like this, as fresh as this. So all you need to do is I used to delete this personally because I don't really fancy it. So you can delete also. Now when you delete, you meet it like this. Now the size of this design we want to do is, now to change the size, you need to click on this very one here. Are you getting it? Then you click on image size. Click on image size. You meet it like this. Then the size we are using is 2 by 3. 3 by 2, sorry. 3 by 2. You remove that one. That's the height. The width is 3. The height is 2. 2 by 3. You see, it has changed. It's like this now. So you click on this middle one. The middle one is for you to import. This is what gives you background where you can import things from. So you click on import. When you click on import, you see those images we have downloaded. They are all available now. So I click on this very first one. That's the background we'll be using. I click on it. I meet it like this. Then I click on this mark here. You meet it here. Then pull to the right. Pull to your right to increase the size. We are trying to cover up this background completely. That's the goal here. We want to cover up the background completely. Now, if you remember I told you about relative position, come to relative position, then click here, and click here. Use relative position to arrange your work. That is what gives your work accuracy. Then click on open here, this open layer. This is layers. To check the layers, open here, then click on this lock icon, the key icon. Once you click on it, this thing will no longer be movable. It will be static. Now let's unlock it. You see, it is movable. So with this now, you cannot import any other thing. It will be disturbing your work. So what you need to do is to set it up again, then click on this lock icon. So with the lock icon, this import effect is open again. So it's locked up. So click here again. You're going to be importing something else again. So what are we importing this time around? We are importing this. See? And click here. Then drag this to this corner. Then increase the size. Just increase the size to, let's say, 88, 88. The width 88, this height 88. Then you remember what I told you about locking your work. Lock it. You need to moderate it so that everything would be aligned. Oh, sorry, remember what I told you about alignment too? We need to align our work. Open here to create alignment. Now, you can close it up again. You see it here. Then we are going to be bringing the logo. Sorry, my phone is charging. Let's bring in the logo straight. Bring in the logo. If you see the logo is not alone, I had to put it together with this other one, with the services included, because I don't want us to just download and download. So you can just be together. So all you need to do is to crop. You move it to this side to crop only the logo. That's only what we need now. You bring it in, pull it here, reduce the size, pull it again, reduce the size. You see where the logo is? It's on this exact line. I told you to merge your work so that your work, it will not move and you'll be able to work freely. So now we're going to be importing something else again. You click on that same logo, then crop this one. The services is only what we need this time around. Then bring it down. If you look at those, the services underneath, the pop-off and everything, they are directly on that line, on this line here. So that is what alignment does for you. Alignment gives your work this arrangement, this professional arrangement, and makes it look more okay. So this one, we are going to align it to. So it's directly on that line. So you lock everything. Then you come in here again to import this particular one. This is the last one we're going to be importing. Then you crop it, resize it, then bring it in. You meet it like this, pull it down, then increase the size. we need to pull this one up. So once you've locked, to pull an object up, you just open up your layers, then touch the particular one you want to raise up. So it's movable now. Then you come to this position, push. I think I need to reduce that again. Then unlock it to reduce it. Now, please, it is not a must you get this thing accurately like me. I have been in this thing for long, so I understand how it works. So just do something and submit. It is not a must that you get it all right, but just do something and be happy with what you did. That is what we are trying to do here. We're not trying to make you a professional overnight. No, we're just trying to give you this thing to give you reasons to know that this thing is something that you can do for your business. So if you look at it now, this work is done. Let's increase this a little. Then relative position. I told you it is to make the work accurate. I want to increase. I want to make sure that it's directly on those lines. If you see, the work is done. You see how cool it is? It is unique and beautiful. Are you getting it? So this is what you can do for your business. Now, I'm going to be increasing the size of this particular one because I want it to be much more bolder. Sorry, you see what I told you? So in case you move your work, your object mistakenly, all you need to do is to click on this arrow to bring it back to where it's supposed to be. You know it has moved. Then I need to lock it so that it will not move again. I want to increase it properly. See, you can reduce it a little. What's the size? I think it's 9191. Lock it again. Now everything is sweet, like it is sweet. See the design? It's as cool as this. Now we made these things very simple like this because we want to give you possibility. Now there is a master class, but that master class is not a must. This is a free class. The purpose of this class is to give you possibility and to show you that you can do something beautiful with your phone. So on the master class, we're going to be taking you just the same way we take you individually now. It's the same way we're going to take you individually. Like we're going to teach you the basics of your business and how to set up this Pixel Lab for your business. And all you need to do is whenever you need design is to just come in, remove some things and change and get a beautiful design to promote your business. Now, if you really want to build your business online, you need to build credibility. And one powerful way to build credibility is through graphics, because graphics give your clients the sense of responsibility, the sense of seriousness. They feel like, this person is really serious with this business. And with that, you make more sales. I'm telling you, I'm a testimony. People view my designs and they feel like, I love your work. That consistency is what puts people to action, and you see them referring even without knowing you. So it's important that you are able to do these things yourself because you probably may not have the money to pay. And on the master class, we'll be teaching you how to decode designs, how to set up Pixel Lab like this, how to input new fonts, how to come up with your brand color, and also you have access to all my materials. Any material I use that you like, just ask for it. I will send it to you. Because by that time, you should have been a pro, at least to some extent. Your weekly designs, Happy New Week, Happy New Month, New Year sales, like that, any kind of thing you want to do, we'll teach you how to set it up on Pixel Lab. And all you just need to do is always go there, remove some things, and get your designs done. Just the same way this one is as simple as ABC, that is the same way it will be on the master class. So thank you for watching. Now, straight away, let's save our work. Save your work. I told you, if you want to save your work, always off your data. Sorry, it's not off, it's not going. Now, save your work. Save it as project first. Just type anything if you want to. But me, I just used to type anything. Sorry, we did not have our data. initially. Mine is silly people. Now straight, let's save it as image. Save it as image. Now when you reach here, you will see something like customize. Click on this arrow down. You will see ultra. Click on ultra. We want to save it as the highest. Now it is saved. Then all you need to do is to go back, come to your gallery, want to view our work, see what we have done, open other images, and click here, see your work, see how beautiful it is. So try your own and let's see. Don't be shy. Whatever result you get is perfect. As a beginner, you don't need to be pro. Just start. That's cool. Thank you for watching. Bye.